Now in the champions fragment, I will add search. Let's go to the champion fragment. I will close this. Go to champion fragment.xml. I will add the search view. I will delete this text view. I will add a hint. Also the ID. And I will make this false. I will change the position of this view. Let's see the result. Here we search. Let's go back. And fragment. Private search view. Now we need to add a method. Create this method. Let's get the search view. Now we write new search view and we select the first one. So we have two functions. These functions will work when we press enter or we press on the search icon. And the second will work when we are typing. Let's work with the second. As we see, the AI helps a lot. So from the champions list, if the champion's name contains the word that we are searching, the champions will be added to the filtered list. And finally, we need to add this to create our list. Let's try it. So the filter is working. And now I will add another filter by champions roles. To do that, I will go to the XML file. I will add a linear layout. I will change this to 100. Now I will add some elements. Now I will add some images. I will add other 4 images. I will go to the resource manager and import the images of the roles. I will add a weight to the images. I will change the background of the button. Go to drawable, new, drawable resource file. We'll select shape. I will give it a name. I will just add the color, solid, color. To have the background, let's change this button. Control space. I will select this. And now we have the background. I will change the color to white. And maybe increase the size. Let's go to the champion fragment class. In the top, we need to declare the element, one button, and 5 images. We need to get those elements by ID. So again, let's create another method. Create this method. This is the result. Again, thanks to the EI. Also, we need to declare another element. The current search text. And now we need to create some methods. So we will search by the row. Let's create an array list. This is the filtered list. Basically, we will do the same job. For every champion, for every row in the champion, if the row is equal what we are searching, we add the champion to the filtered list. And finally, we need this, the same as we did here. And now we will create a method for each search button. We need this. Also, we need to declare another element. Selected filter is by default all. So selected filter equals to all. Then we need to clear the search view. Set query false. And also search view.clear focus. And now another method. I will copy this. We will need another one. So let's see. We have all. We have top, Django, mid, ADC, and support. Those are all the elements that we need. Now we will call those methods when we click on each button. One filter. From the expression. Filter by all. And then we pass the view. I will repeat the same for the 5 other images. Thank you, EI. Selected filter equal to row. Here I will add another if. If it's empty, then we will do this. Else, if the champion's name contains the word that we are searching, we add the champion to the filtered list. And now let's go to the search method and add this line. Let's try again. Let's try again. And now we will filter by support. This is the final result. Thank you for watching.